Hello, today we are stepping up to professional flagship performance with the IECHO PK4 Flagship Series, the absolute first choice for factories and high-intensity production environments. The PK4 Series is built for heavy-duty output, offering two standard formats, B1 and A0. Max cutting speed, a rapid 1200 mm per second, and max cutting thickness, up to 16 mm, making the strongest powerhouse in our entire lineup, all while maintaining a razor-sharp precision of 0.1 mm. Boasting our highest configuration, the PK4 comes standard with a voice coil motor-driven toolhead. Its stability lifespan and thick material processing power far exceed standard models. This machine flawlessly supports 24/7 hours of continuous non-stop production and offers advanced modular upgrades like automated sheet and roll loading systems. Who is it for? It's engineered specifically for professional signage plants, commercial packaging factories, and volume manufacturing enterprises that regularly process materials thicker than 10 mm and demand ultimate machine lifespan. When production demands absolute power and non-stop reliability, the PK4 Flagship Series delivers. Thank you for watching and see you next time.